back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher, and this is a quick tip tutorial. Have you seen one of these things on Amazon? These funny little things called auxiliary tools. They're for safety eyes. These things. And you're probably wondering, first of all, how to use it, because the instructions on Amazon are really hard to follow, and there really aren't any videos on how to use this thing. So I'm going to show you. Now, why is this thing useful? Because obviously, you know, these are not hard to put on. So these are more for my favorite backings, which are the hard white plastic ones. I absolutely love these. These are very, very hard to get off, and so they're much safer for kids. I still say if you're going to make something for a child, though, please put some hot glue behind the safety eye regardless, just because it's safer. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use this because I've made something that finally needs safety eyes. Sorry it's taken me so long to make this video. It's because I had to make something that needed safety eyes first. So this is my little circle. And you will see what this is on the channel later. But right now, we need 9mm safety eyes. That's these. And my backs. First of all, you need to know the direction on where the backs need to go. Now, if I had my druthers, I would want it to go this way. However, that's not how it works. It goes this way. So the little domey piece, even if you want to use it on this kind too. So the domey piece is up, and the flat piece will go against your project. So I'm going to show you as best I can. I'm sorry about the lighting. I've turned on every light I own, but it's still not very good. So I hope you can see this. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Okay. First we place our eye. Let's do that right and over here. Okay. Now we flip my piece over, lay it flat, get my little back, place it like so, and I like to get it started like just a little bit, just so it stays in place, and then push down. Now, I can't really show you that, but I'm going to try. But you push down. And depending on the kind of safety eye you have, it may or may not make a click. But as long as it's down a rung or two, then it's on there. Okay, so let's put on my second one. I need about 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Make sure it's in the same row. That's a little close for me. I'm going to move it over one. There we go. Okay, flip it over. Place your back. And push down. Ah, see? That one popped. Okay. And there you have it. Ta-da! Now, because of that, it will make your face a little sunken like that. But actually, I think that's kind of cute, personally. Just be careful when you're stuffing that you get in all the little crevices. Okay? And that is how to use the auxiliary tool, or safety eye tool, whatever you want to call it. This tool will be linked down in the description box below. I am not an affiliate, but if you want to get one, now's a great time. I love this thing. I use it all the time. I also have a bigger size for my really big eyes, like for my Broadway bears. Like her eyes, I have a bigger one of these. They make them in about 3 sizes, and this is the smallest, I think. So, yeah. So, thank you for joining me today, and I hope that this tutorial helped you. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the Yarn Zebra family, and turn on your notification bell so you know every time I post a new video. And come on back. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye.